Make sure you follow me on social media to get updates and ask me questions. Enjoy the video. Before we continue with Sentinel, let's take a step back and create the menu for the authentication. I will use straight Bootstrap for this. Just go on Bootstrap, Getting Started, and then Examples. I will use this one, since it is more close to the current design that we have. So just get the source code, and let's create the master file. So I will go to Resources, I will create a folder inside Views, I will call it Layouts, and then inside here a new file, master.blade.php. Now what I want to do is to split this code here into multiple files. So I will create a new file, I will name this top menu.blade.php, and let's now get the source code for the menu, which is this header here. So just get this, cut it, and paste it. Of course, now we have to include this file, so include layouts.topMenu, and this is all. Now I want to clear the code here because we have a lot of stuff that we do not need. For example, the Jumbotron is not needed. Also a couple of scripts here. For example, this one. We don't need these. I mean, we have a lot of stuff that we do not need. Okay. Now for Bootstrap, I will use CDN, so let me go and get it. Bootstrap CDN. Okay, here we are. So I will copy this. Now I will do the same for the Jumbotron arrow, which is the specific CSS file for this template. So we can go to inspect, and then we can refresh this, and we can get the URL for this. So just copy this and go back and change it with this one. Okay, so let's take a look. We can also, for example, delete the meta tags here. They're not really needed for our example. So just delete everything. We can have the title as authentication. And yeah, now we pretty much have all the code that we need, except that we have to yield the content here. So yield content. Okay, so now we can go to the top menu and we can fix the code for the menu here. So let's take a look. We can get rid of home, and for the about, we will change it to login, and here to register. Okay, so now how can we do the link with our forms, with our routes? Just say slash and then the URI, which is login for the login, and slash register for register. For the project name, we can change this to authentication with Sentinel. Okay, so let's make use of this master file. I will go to authentication and then login. So the first step is to extend the master file. So extend layouts.master. So this is the first step. Now, because we have already included this Bootstrap file here, there is no need to also include it here. So what I will do is to delete this, and I will cut the font awesome link, and we can paste it inside the master file. Okay, let's go back again now. So we need a section for the content. So I will say here section content, and we can of course close this. Now I will get the whole container here. However, let me tell you something. Because in the master file we have already a container class here, there is no need for another one. So what I will do is to delete this div here, and of course the ending tag. Okay, so yeah, login is ready. So let's take a look. If we go back now, you can see this, which is pretty cool, I think. So let's do the same for the register, because now, yeah, we can navigate to register, but we do not have the menu to navigate back to the login. So let's fix this. The steps are the same, so just go to register. Now we do not need Bootstrap or Font Awesome because we already have them in the master file. So I will just say extend layouts.master. Okay, so again, I will take everything and paste them inside there. However, as I said, I will delete the container div. So yeah, let's take a look now. Login is okay, register, login, perfect. I think this is good enough to continue with the next video now.